Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. Sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Guys, today we have a guest. Her name is Linnette Turner. She's a Jamaican who has been living in England, and she's sharing her journey with us. Guys, sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the ride together. Miss Turner, good afternoon. We want to start by saying congratulations on being 98. Yes. And I understand from Joan that you're living in England.
Yes. I was living in Florida for a little while. Not for a little while. I was living in America for 35 years. But I was living in England before, had all my children there.
Okay.
And so I came to New York for 10 years, and then the rest of the time I lived in Florida.
Okay. Can you tell us about your journey from Jamaica?
Yes, I did.
What made you make the decision to migrate?
Everybody was coming over in the 55 from about 54. And they were coming to do nursing, and they were sort of recruiting people to come and work.
Oh,
okay. From the West Indies.
Oh, that's the wind rush? That's what they call the wind rush?
Yes. So my husband came over first, and my sister-in-law and my cousin, they came to do nursing, and I wanted to do nursing too.
Yes.
So he came up, and then a year after he sent me to me. I did.
Okay, the rest is history. Okay, what are some of your fondest memory living in Jamaica, Miss Turner?
Well, running around in the hills, running to school.
What parish was that?
Clarendon.
Okay. Okay. So you remember being a schoolgirl and having
We had to go 2 miles to school.
Okay.
There's no bus or nothing like that. So
yes, so you had to walk.
Yes, so we had to wake up early to get to school on time.
Yes. Okay. During your journey, Miss Turner, have you encountered any challenges or faced any discrimination, especially living in England?
Yes, when we got there first, we couldn't get anywhere to rent unless a black person has a house, and then they let rooms to other black people. Otherwise, we couldn't go. You could do white people.
So you could only rent from other black landlords?
Yes.
Okay.
But in the end, there was this friend of ours that we met in England. He was a Jamaican too. We found out about this Jewish man, and he could live at his place. And after that, it was too bad. We got our own place.
Okay. So, and in the workplace at the time, did you encounter discrimination in the workplace?
Yes, but not as bad as yes, we do.
Living accommodation. Okay. What traditional Jamaican cultures do you maintain? Like in terms of cooking
the food.
Yes.
And cooking just like a week.
Yes. And you're able to find your ingredients easily. Okay. Good. And now, have you experienced any changes in the community over the years based on, from the time you went when they would only rent to the blacks? Have you seen any changes?
Yes, much. They still have discrimination.
Yes.
most people are north.
Okay, so now you're saying that the whites will now rent to blacks now?
Oh yes.
They will. Okay.
Maybe they don't want to live with them, but they rent to them. They buy a house and they have that house rented.
Just for them. Okay. And you mentioned earlier that you still cook your Jamaican dishes.
Yes, I don't cook anything, but when I was cooking,
Yes. What were some of the dishes you would normally prepare?
upstairs, I don't eat pork, but yeah, that's very cook. And like rice and peas,
Okay.
red beans, or kitchen peas.
Right.
Yum.
Bananas, green bananas.
Again, salted green bananas.
Yeah. Okay. Having lived abroad for all these years, Miss Turner, is there any advice you would have for persons wanting to migrate now to England?
Well, it's not the old England that I know anyway, because it has changed and things were much different from when we got there.
Right.
But it's too many foreigners are there now from different countries, like the Muslims taking over and things like that. So it's not like when we got there, because I don't know if they had Muslims there when I went there.
Yes.
But now it's everywhere you turn, there's a mosque.
Yes. So you advise.
Over witnesses and things
Yes.
like that.
So you would advise them to keep an open mind.
Oh yes, sure.
And to yes, okay. And my last question to you, Miss Turner, is you are 98 years old. Share the secret with us. Tell us.
Well,
How did you reach such a major milestone?
we never used to use chemicals in our food. You see, we use the cow manure, feed the cows, and then when
Right.
the manure that is there, you plant things.
Right.
And we cut the things, the bushes. We always call it embodying.
Yes.
You know, and you put it around the roots, and then it rots. So we never use anything like that.
Right.
Pure food. My father was a farmer, and he planted yam, different kind of yam.